Welcome, my dear students, to our Kathiawar High School virtual classroom. Every Saturday, I upload a class on English second paper for class 10. So, students, you should follow my class every Saturday in a week. So, my continuous discussion about English second paper. Today I am discussing about substitution table. You know that in your question paper you will get a substitution table. When you will perform the total sentences, that means 5 sentences, perform correctly, then you can hope you will get 5 marks. Otherwise, you will not any expectation to get full marks. So, students, today I am discussing in details about the substitution table. The substitution table is 3 columns. There will be 3 columns. You should make 5 sentences from the column. You should make 5 sentences from the column correctly. The sentences are jumbled, are at random. So, you should make them correctly decorated, to be decorated or arranged in a context with 5 sentences. Now, I am discussing the 3 columns. That means, in the substitution table, the first column, when you will get the first column, when you will get first column, in your first column there will be some subjects. The subjects are to be noun or pronoun. Of course, when you will start the sentences, you have to emphasize the first noun of first column. Second column, when you will get, first of all you should try, you have to read the column attentively. Second column, in your second column there will be some verbs. Verbs are of 2 kinds, principal verbs and auxiliary verbs. You will choose every verb from same column if necessary. And the third column there are some remaining parts. That means this part is a remaining part. You should try your best to join, to match other two columns with third column, the remaining part. So students, the random words, all the parts, all the columns words are random words. You should try your best to be decorated or arranged correctly in a context with 5 sentences. Students, you should understand the question language. You will get this type of question there. I am writing the question language. Make 5 sentences. 5 sentences using parts of sentences. Using parts of sentences from each column. From each column of the table. From each column of the table below. You will get this type of question language on your question paper. You should understand the question language. I am reading the question language again. Make 5 sentences. That means you have to make 5 sentences from the table. You have to make 5 sentences from the table. So you should understand the theme of the table. Make 5 sentences using parts of sentences. There will be all the columns words are parts of sentences from each column of the table below. So now you have to write correct sentences from the table. Students, you will get there this type of table there. Suppose this was (2019) Jashore boat. 2019. In 2019, in Jashore boat, this table came. I am reading first column, unemployment. Number 1, unemployment, and under it there educated youth and they. Second column, or the middle column should not depend on to remain, is, or weekends, and the remaining part, that means in the third column, idle after completing their studies, occurs on the government to provide them with jobs. The body and mind of your young population. More people in our country than jobs. So students, you should try your best to understand the words of the table. That means employment. What is employment? Employment means in action. There are no action in this area or in a youth, inaction, inactivity, in occupation. There is no occupation or lassitude. So unemployment means there is no work. So you should try your best. You have to write the answers serially. Question number 3, number A, number B, number C, number D. Number D. Number A, number B, number C, number D, and number E. You will write serially. First of all, you should read the table. That means first column, second column, and third column. Number A, I am reading the answers. Unemployment is a curse. So I took unemployment from first column, and I took is from second column, and I took a curse from third column. So this is a correct sentence. This is turned into a actual sentence. Unemployment is a curse. Number B, students, you know that curse means malediction. The antonym word bless. Curse is the opposite of bless. Number B, now unemployment is a noun. I took noun. You should start with noun from first column. Now I am starting another sentence. First of all, I took first word from first column. That means I am taking pronoun it. It weekends. I took it from first column, weekends from second column. The body and mind of our young population. The body and mind of our young population from third column. So this is a context sentence. Weakens means deteriorate. When a person is turned into any jobless, the antonym word of weakens is strengthen. strengthen. So students, number C, there are more people in our country than jobs. I took there from first column, are from second column, more people in our country than jobs from third column. Number D, they should not depend on the government to provide them with jobs. I took they from first column, should not depend from second column on the government to provide them with jobs from third column. Here provide means take steps. The antonym of provide is withhold. So students, the last is number E, educated youth. I use again here noun. Educated youth remain idle after completing their studies. Educated youth from first column remain from second column, idle after completing their studies from third column. Here idle means lazy. A man who is lazy, slothful. And the antonym of idle is run, work, busy, etc. So students, in this way you will answer all 5 sentences in a correct context. When you will perform all 5 sentences correctly, then you can expect to gain or to get good marks or 5 marks or total marks. Otherwise, you will not get the full marks. So students, I hope you have understood my discussion about substitution table. So don't worry, I hope you will note down on your notebook. Every day you should practice the substitution table, at best 5 table, and you should write all the tables, correct answers on your notebook. I hope you will practice all these things at your home. I shall meet you again the next week on Saturday. So don't go out without wearing any masks. I hope you will stay at your home. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you for all.